And if you want to painstakingly put them back together in sets and sell them separately, you just go
right.
for it. I just don't.
Hey, puppy dog.
Hey, Liz.
Dun. Hey, puppy dog. Yeah. Hey, how's it going? How's it going? Yeah. How's it going? Yeah, I know.
Yeah, you're fine, you're fine.
You're in the Army or we're in the Army? Oh, man, thanks for your service, brother. I tell the Army guys, not everybody can join the Navy.
Wait, were you here last year?
Yeah, I came last
Were
year.
you one of the caddis things?
Oh,
No,
thank you.
I got some of the coquettes and some of the other toys. Pretty cool.
Hey, you want to go in there? Anything that's on the side of the
Yeah, he surprised me. I felt something on my leg. I was like, what's going on? Yep, that's what he did to me. He's all right. He ain't hurt nobody. Yeah.
Freddy's missing his hat.
Morning.
Oh, honey, here's some more.
A Zippo case over there in the corner.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, I was just over there looking.
Dun, 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 dun. Steve Martin Brothers.
Vintage. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles or anything like that?
I don't have any of that, no.
Probably not.
Yeah.
Oh, how much you want on the hitch?
This?
If it's a 2-inch ball.
10?
Yeah, it's 2-inch.
Do 5.
Well, we'll put stuff together. I just happen to be looking for one of these.
21 pilot shirts and this cut shirt.
Yeah. The 21 Pilots one.
So everything's in the center?
You can just ask her.
I don't know why it was just. I feel like somebody would love that. There's no tags or anything on it, but
It is cool. What's the other one? Oh, what about the lighters?
Someone's picking these up.
They're picking them up?
Yeah.
Awesome. I was making sure.
Come on, my doggies.
Yes, she cleans up estates, yes. Oh, dude. Mess. You just ask. Oh, what'd you have on the shirts?
Fan shirts. So you gained that right now, right? Anything else?
Just a couple figures.
Yeah. 30 for all of it?
Keep this.
how much is that?
10.
I don't know if I want to pay that much for the clothes. I don't know
I just,
25?
yeah, 25 will work. I really like the Mad figure. How's it going? Just seeing what you have that I don't need.
Yeah. That's what yours sells for.
all the time. It's like, take our stuff. We don't want it. Well, somebody a Dolphins fan?
My dog, yeah. A little bit.
Nice cologne. That's cool.
You big Dolphins fan?
My buddy is. That's why I was like, who's the Dolphins fan? Because they're few and far between around
I'm
here.
one of them, I ain't gonna lie.
I mean, they're cool. You spend a lot of time, yeah, that's good.
All new gears, trying to get rid of the old.
There you go. I'll just take these two.
Okay. Who's at the top of these?
10 and 10, so 20 bucks. Look, you got all the yard projects coming up. Keeps you busy.
How you doing?
Doing good. Keeps you busy, busy, busy.
You got a little GoPro going.
Yeah, I got a little YouTube channel.
Oh, neat.
I hunt for like different toys and collectibles and stuff. So
Yeah, I got a whole bunch of Playmobil stuff here.
yeah, the
And
play.
a whole box of these Geo tracks. I just put a few of them out there. This box is like at the bottom is almost.
She's like,
full.
I have all of them.
Yeah, my husband thought my daughter needed to have them all. So
Hey, you never know.
we had a basement, so I mean they had like a whole town set up down there.
Oh, they had the whole kit and caboodle. What size are these?
They're big. My husband was a big man.
50 by. How much were you asking on them?
I don't know, like $8.
Would you do
He wore
5?
them outside. Yeah.
$5?
Yeah.
Well, let me see what else I find.
The thing, I didn't have time to try to sort them out and put them in the boxes, so they're all mixed up. So I'm hoping somebody will just take a whole big caboodle, because the house and the little chapel-y thing, they're all in different pieces.
I see.
Yeah, but I think that I kept all of the books for how to put
Oh,
them
the
together.
instructions.
Yes. And those are die-cast little models, little cars. I haven't unwrapped them.
Oh, okay. If you were selling all of it, what were you thinking? It's a lot of work, but they are cool.
Oh, they snap together so easily.
I mean, just
Yeah.
putting them all back
Yeah.
together.
Yeah. I'm gonna say like $50 and you just take it all. I mean, if you want to painstakingly put them back together in sets and sell them separately, you just go for
Right.
it. I just don't feel like
She's
doing
like,
it.
I'm not gonna do that. Well, let me pay you for this. I
Okay.
just sent her a picture. She's right down the hill.
All
So.
right, hang on to that. I gotta go get some more.
Oh,
change.
okay. 50 for all of it. Can you hear me? Oh, just walk up here then. All right.
So he's looking at these Playmobiles. They're
It's
all mixed.
it's all
and
mixed
matched
up,
inside.
but here's the boxes,
Yeah.
and there's all the pieces.
Okay. And the directions are in each box to put
Okay.
it back together.
Okay.
So that's what he's proposing for you.
It's a lot of work, but
It is.
It is, but
They're really
actually
cool.
really easy to put together.
you squeeze it in the van.
Okay. How much? You didn't even tell me how much.
50
for everything.
bucks.
Oh
Okay.
yeah, I mean that's a steal.
Yeah.
Wait, will you throw this in?
Huh?
Throw this in? $50 for everything?
No man, you're already getting ahead.
Oh,
of the
okay,
deal.
okay. 55. 50. I was just trying to keep it even bills now.
Well, we can round up.
How insane were those yard sales, honey?
They were really good.
Do you want me to go show them what we got?
Yeah, come check it out.
Okay, I got everything laid out behind me. Let's jump in to see how incredible these yard sale stops turned out to be. So at that first stop, we picked up this cool cat shirt that we think it might even be handmade. We couldn't find any tags on it. It looks super cool. It'll probably go up on our Whatnot auction. And if you've never heard of Whatnot, I'd suggest hit that link because you do not want to miss out on a chance for $15 free to spend on there. It's a great app where we do cool auctions and they can give you your first $15 to go shopping. So be on the lookout for a Whatnot show from us. These 21 Pilots shirts, they're not super old. I love 21 Pilots. These are the Banditos tour. I think we'll get like 10 to 15 a piece on those. Also got that tow hitch. I need that to pull my trailer to get things rolling again on the storage units. So if you love those videos, I got a ton of those. But working on getting the trailer back on the road. And then these right here, these figures, I just thought some of them looked cool. Nothing too notable. He's missing his hat. If I had the hat, he's like 20 bucks. This one, the head keeps popping up. I don't know if that's a fixable issue. If so, he might do like $10 to $15. Another like little $5. There's nothing too crazy here. I thought these two were cool. I didn't want to take the time to look a bunch of stuff up. But spending $25 at that sale will get our money back on the two shirts alone. And like I said, the hitch was a personal buy. The very next sale, we saw this cool starter Dolphins jacket. The nice pullover quarter zip. Definitely needs a cleaning. I even think in this condition I could get a quick 50 bucks for it, but we're going to try to clean a little bit of this up. And if we keep it around to this fall, this thing will bring in some great money. And then we also picked up these North Face skiers pants, size large. They definitely have a little bit of wear to them, but I still think in this condition we could get like $35, $40. So 20 bucks into a quick flip of at least like $80, $90. Not bad. This next yard sale was definitely the home run. I saw these Carhartt overalls on the table and I was like, yeah, it's a big size. She was saying like $8. I said $5. She said sure, but she kept pointing at all of this Playmobil stuff and I kept looking and I was debating, and she had those 4 totes lined up. But I said, yeah, let's pull the trigger for $50. We're going to jump into the first one. This was the fun part. Did a lot of work putting a lot of these together. Inside, they're not all set up here. Oh, as I'm dropping pieces. But we do have extra pieces and parts in there. I was amazed. I was like, this was just an incredible find. We have the box with this one, not totally complete. You know, these have been sitting around for many years. These are retired sets, but even in this condition with the box, I'm thinking $50 on this farmhouse. But then that brings us over to this really cool garden chapel. Once again, not complete. I'd say this is probably 95% complete. All the structural pieces are here, but it's missing like one little banister here. We have the chairs, but not the table. These were extra pieces I found, so I just threw those in with it. But with the box, in this condition, with this many pieces, there's one right now for $90 with 12 watchers on it. They don't have a box. So I'm going to compete with that and go with the box, $90. But you do have the beautiful wedding chapel right here with a lot of its pieces. And it does have the box, and I tested it out. It does play music. It has all the parts there. Last one sold without a box for $100. Yes, $100 right there. But the one that caught my eye was this mansion right here. I had seen different versions of these kind of houses by Playmobil that were all over the place in comps, went for decent money, but when she was saying $50 for everything, I was like, this is probably going to be a good risk. Some of the sell-through rate is crazy. Some people part these things out. But this thing right here was going to be a home run. But it needed to be complete. But better than complete was even bigger. That's right. This has 4 stories to it because they did sell an expansion for this thing. That 3rd story right there was an additional, right now, selling for $100. So the last sold for this one, and let me show you what's on the inside. With this many pieces, yeah, stuff's just kind of thrown in here. I was kind of setting rooms up as I could. With the amount of furniture that was in here was $350, and we have the box. But there was something even crazier when we opened the boxes. When we open these boxes, we have the boxes to the furniture sets. But we also had tons of other accessories. The wedding card, the chicken coop. We have so many little subsets. Look at all the figures. Look at all the extra pieces. Yeah, inside of each box were other collections and sets. So when we look at all of this and all of these for $50, that was an incredible day. Yeah, so not bad yard sale stuff. I'm sorry, I'm out here working in my nice little boat garden on our other channel, my down backyard. But yes, so glad we got all that cool stuff at all those yard sales and got all that stuff put together, getting ready to go list it all. I just, in between times, working on the garden. But thanks for watching. Thank you guys so much for being our incredible Fun Time Flippin' family. You guys are great. And we can't wait to show you the rest of the stuff that we found on the other part of our yard sale day. So we'll see you in the next video.